Let's talk about Einstein's annus mirabilis miracle year of 1905. When he dropped not one, but three groundbreaking papers that completely changed modern physics. Here's a quick rundown of what they were all about. 1. The photoelectric effect. Light comes in packets. Paper title on a heuristic viewpoint concerning the generation and transformation of light. What it's about in this paper, Einstein proposed the light quantum hypothesis, where he suggested that light isn't just a continuous wave, it's made up of tiny energy packets called photons. This explained the photoelectric effect, where light hitting metal knocks out electrons. It was such a big deal that it later won him the Nobel Prize in Physics. 2. Brownian motion proof of atoms. Paper title on the motion of small particles suspended in stationary liquids as demanded by the molecular kinetic theory of heat. What it's about here, Einstein used statistical mechanics to explain Brownian motion, the random movement of tiny particles in a fluid. This paper was one of the first to provide direct evidence of atoms and molecules, which helped prove their existence. Before this, atoms were more of a theoretical concept. 3. Special relativity. Space and time get weird. Paper title on the electrodynamics of moving bodies. What it's about, this is the famous one, Einstein's special theory of relativity. He showed that space and time aren't absolute, they can change depending on how fast you're moving. And, of course, this is where we get the legendary equation EMIC, which shows that energy and mass are equivalent. This paper laid the foundation for a whole new understanding of how the universe works. Why this was huge. Each of these papers set the stage for entirely new branches of physics: quantum mechanics, statistical mechanics, and relativity. Einstein wasn't just solving existing problems, he was completely rethinking how we understand light, matter, and the fabric of the universe. So, in a nutshell, light is photons, quantum theory. Atoms proven real, statistical mechanics. Space and time aren't fixed, relativity. Einstein's 1905 work didn't just make waves, it revolutionized physics.